Su asụsụ Igbo nwa mara mma. Asụsụ Igbo bụ asụsụ dị mma. Ọnwa egbula gị. Ewo, ịbụrụ nwa afọ Igbo gee m ntị n'olu. Ihe ndị Igbo bụ ihe mara mma. Ọnwa egbula anyị. Ewo. All right, my country people, my name is Chief Imo Worldwide. Of course, you know me very well. Today, I say Buhari egwu, Buhari ọnọdụ. N'ụbọchị taa, aweela m dịka nwa afọ Igbo as usual. You know, come to them on say as usual. I am here with a very vital information that will help you, help your children unborn, and help your generation to come. What am I talking about? Just listen. Achọrọ m ka unu niile bụ ndị now suffer, all of you that are suffering from not knowing how to speak your mother tongue. I know the reason I'm using English is just for all of us to understand what I'm saying and then do the needful. Are you getting my point? All of you that are suffering from the Oria Amahia Sasusu Igbo. I don't know how to speak Igbo. Igbo. Hey! Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Igbo. It is called Igbo. Igbo. I-G-B-O. Igbo. So today, I want to use this opportunity to beg all of us who lives here in Nigeria and in diaspora, who cannot speak Igbo language fluently, or you are not proud of where you are coming from. I want you to contact Muyemaze now to enroll your children in Kpakpando Language Hub. Kpakpando Language Hub. You can also check Muyemaze out on Instagram because she have a very large and interesting page on Instagram that everybody is running into. People are trooping in. People are lining up to hear from her, to listen to the children who have already been registered in her learning academic section. How English I cannot kill myself another person's language. Now I want you to go on Instagram now. Go on Instagram and check them out. Igbo Tones. Igbo Tones on Instagram. And you will see where children are trained Igbo language. They can Ghana tone. You see, sometimes when I speak Igbo, people will say, ah, Chief Imo, you are a village man. You're a local man. You grew up in the village, blah, blah, blah. Without that language today, many of us who are following my footsteps will not be eating. So do not be ashamed of speaking your mother tongue. Enroll your child today. They also have a YouTube channel that is also a very big platform where people go to watch the Igbo cartoon that this woman is creating. It's also called Igbo Tones on YouTube. That place is a cartoon because they are part of this lecture. They are learning every now and then. I don't want you to waste time. Rush now, so that before December, before you can come back home this Christmas, your children must have at least learned how to speak and interact with other children. Do not say I did not tell you. I get video very soon. Tax one nana. Unyobula mwa na ha sibu. Amapia niwu. Upon the sas. May arrest. Oche nanga. Until you get video mutake sasibu. You cannot be an Igbo parent and your children are messing up around. It is a must. Somebody say, is it a must to speak Igbo language? It's a must. It is a must to be identified with your mother tongue. Mother tongue. Go now and register your child. Enroll them on this very platform. And you will never regret you did. Remember, check up their page on Instagram and on YouTube. You will never regret you did. Thank you and remain blessed. I still remain your #1 comedian, Chief Imo of the Federal Republic of Igbo Land. Oh my God. I feel blessed.